So fused and the bridged ring system. In the fused and the bridged ring, in the fused ring system, two common carbon atoms which are called the bridged head atoms. This is the fused ring system, and this is the example of the fused ring system. So whenever you will name the fused ring systems or the bridged ring systems, you will write the bicyclo, word bicyclo. So if we have to number or give the name of this compound, okay, we have to name this compound. Then we will take this one, simple one. Then you will write the bicyclo, then square bracket. So in the bridged and the fused ring system, remember, you will write the bicyclo word, then you will draw the bracket, okay. Then we will count the number of carbon atoms in the ring. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. So you will write it as 4.4. And in the bicyclo, in this fused and the bridge ring system, we will write that 0.00 for the bridged carbon atoms. Then square bracket complete. Now we will count the number of the parental chain. So parental chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So while counting the number of carbon atoms for the parental chain, we will count the bridged atoms also. So see the first example here. Always this starting numbering starts from the bridged carbon atom. Okay, numbering starts from the bridged carbon atom. So here 1, then the substituent. Okay, now here same number of carbon atoms are present in both the rings. So from here we will start the numbering like 1, then the substituent is there, so it will get the list number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 carbon atoms. So if the substituents are present, then we will name the substituent first. So this is the second, okay, second, that is 2-chloro. It will come it as a 2-chloro 7-methyl. So in the while writing the substituent, you will follow the alphabetical order. So that C alphabetically, okay, chlorine. So C comes first. So we will write first 2-chloro and then 7-methyl. Okay. Then bicyclo 4, 4 and 0, 0 for the bridged carbon atoms. And we will separate these numbers by a dot. And there are 10 carbon atoms. So we will write it as this decane. Okay, parental chain is decane. Now the bridged ring systems. Now bridged ring systems. In the bridged ring systems, first one you will see. We will write the word bicyclo. Then we will write the this bracket. Okay, we give the bracket. Then we will count the numbers in the rings. So 1, 2 and 1, 2. So 2, 2. If we are taking the first example, that is norborane example. So in that bicyclo word, then in the bracket. So this is the example, that is norborane. So we will write the first bicyclo, then square bracket C. 1 and 2 carbon. Okay, 1 and 2. So there are 2 carbons. We will not count the these bridge head carbons. Okay, while writing in the bracket. So 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2.2 and 1 that is for this bridged carbon atom. Okay, that is this one. So we will write the name as bicyclo square bracket 2.21 bridged ring systems. Now, next one. See now numbering. If we see the numbering, so if there are substituents present, so the numbering is important. So the numbering starts from this bridged head carbon atoms. Okay, this one, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and we will give the last number to this bridged head atom. Okay, this one we will give the last number, that is 7. So it is a heptane. 7 carbon atoms are there. So the next example, see here, we will take this one. So in that, we will write the word bicyclo first, then the square bracket. There are 2, 2, 1 and 2. So 2.2, and see the middle one. There are 2 carbon atoms, bridged head carbon atoms. So there are 2. So we will write as 2.2.2. Square bracket complete. Then we have to mention the position of double bonds. So the numbering starts from here. That is, this one is first, then second. Okay, so unsaturation or if functional groups are present, there has to give, this has to give the this list number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then the last number we will give to the this bridged head carbon atom, that is 7 and 8. So the name comes as bicyclo square bracket 2.2.2 hyphen 2 comma 5. So 2, okay, and double bond is there, so 2, and here in the fifth carbon, fifth position. So 2, 5, 2 comma 5. See how many carbon atoms? 8 carbon atoms. So it is a octane. So it is a 2 double bonds are present. So 2, 5, 2 comma 5 hyphen octadiene. It is octadiene. So the next example, see, numbering starts from here. 1. It will not go like this. It will go like this because unsaturation, there is double bond, has to give the least number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last two is 9 and 10. So I will name it bicyclo. There are, see, 1, 2, 3. This ring, okay, 1, 2, 3, and this side 8, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3, and the middle 9 and 10, that 2 carbon atoms. So 3.3.2. There are 10 carbon atoms in the parent alkane. So decane. So deca hyphen 2 hyphen in 2 in.